Hey everyone, I'm sure this is going to be the shortest and least entertaining video I've ever made. But I need to do a quick update on the video I made last week. Now for quite some time people have been inquiring about my artwork, and I told everyone that when I had it back here at home and I got it all sorted out and ready to sell, that I would make an announcement. That announcement went out last week. Okay, I had a feeling that I would have a nice rush of print sales. I had no idea. Okay. Shock and awe. All right. I have literally thousands of print orders, and we are doing our very best to get them fulfilled. Prior to making that announcement, I ordered a few hundred of the cardboard tubes that I shipped the prints in. I pissed right through those the first day and didn't even make a dent in the print sales, and the orders are coming in fast and furious even now. So, needless to say, we are overwhelmed, but in a good way, really. I'm thrilled that so many of you want to collect my artwork, so that's really nice. A little stressed because I like to get orders out right away, and I can't. We're not a big company. You know, when you order from a place like Amazon, everything's automated. You know, an order comes in, computer-generated email goes out to notify you that your order's been received, printed label's already been shipped. Bing, bang, boom, orders out. And that's the way I like to do business. But to be honest with you folks, I've sold more art in the last few days than I did in all the years that I was an artist, even when I had 3 sales reps working for me. So I've been overwhelmed. So I want to let everybody know that we are doing our very best to get these orders fulfilled. If you have any questions or concern about your order, send your inquiry to this email address here, and I will put this in the description below this video. If you write to the email address that's associated with the website where you place your order, I will find it, but it's going to take me that much longer to find it because I am just buried with orders over there. All right? I just wanted to kind of bring you behind the scenes a little bit, because things are a little bit different when selling art as opposed to other products. Much different from our food business. When the food business orders came in, we had tons of stock. You throw it in a box, ship it out. With the art, it's much more tedious. I handle everything with care, inspect everything, make sure there's no flaws, sign and number them at the time of sale, and then I have to keep very, very accurate records of the sales, because as I told you, I sell them in limited edition, and I don't want a number of print with the same number twice. That would be a big boo-boo in the limited edition print sales, and I don't want to make that mistake. So it's a tedious process, it's time consuming, and I will get your order fulfilled. So I want to thank everyone that has ordered my art. I'm just thrilled that so many people want to collect my artwork. It's been great. I've had a lot of people order my entire collection, and really exciting. Excitement and overwhelmment in equal dosage. Quite a trip, really. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. I wanted to just get this quick video out. Let everybody know your order will be fulfilled. You will be notified when it is shipped. If an edition sells out by the time I reach your order in the list, you will be notified, your order will be canceled, your money will be refunded. So no worries whatsoever, folks. And I am filling the orders in the order that they were received. But it's going to take me a bit because I have thousands of orders, folks. So be patient, hang in there, we'll get the orders out to you. All right? So thanks again. Very much appreciated. This is going to be a very big help with our new build. Yeah. So all the best. God bless.
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go. There's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss.